Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, you guys, I'm gonna be having lunch at Church's Chicken today. So I'm just gonna check them out and see, how I like their food, how I like their flavor, how I like the chicken, and I'll let you know my thoughts on it. So here's another review, and this review is for Church's Chicken. Lunch was served hot and fresh, just the way I like it. Let's go in for that first bite. And I hope that you guys can see the steam coming off of that chicken. It was oh so good. So lunch at Church's Chicken was amazing. You guys, the chicken was hot and steamy and crispy, and I took the spicy one, so it was really good. And also their biscuits were nice, soft and buttery with a hint of kind of like a honey glaze. It was phenomenal. And also the fries was very nice and crispy. Yeah, wasn't too dry, and I loved it. Like, honestly, I give them 10 out of 10. And this is the Church's Chicken by Sage Hill in Calgary. So it was amazing, you guys. They did not disappoint. I really enjoyed it, and I will definitely be going back. So yeah, big up to you guys at Church's Chicken at Sage Hill. The service was great, it was excellent, and the food was phenomenal. It was definitely on point. Okay, so anyways, thank you guys for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more food reviews.